case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Court of Appeals of North Carolina in 2005 heard a case, Parker v. Figure 8, Beach Homeowners, revolving around the authority of a homeowners association over special waterway maintenance assessments. The dispute between homeowner Raymond Clifford Parker and the Figure 8 Beach Homeowners Association, HOA, was triggered by the association's decision to impose an assessment for maintaining a coastal waterway. Parker, considering the assessment and agreements related to it invalid as per his interpretation of the covenants, took the issue to court. A key question in the legal struggle was the interpretation of the HOA's bylaws and restrictive covenants. The covenants had been amended in 1993 to include channel dredging and beach nourishment as permissible grounds for assessments. Moreover, the HOA held the power to determine the assessment amount, even imposing additional assessments for capital improvements with a majority vote from members. However, Parker's property on Figure 8 Island, governed by those very covenants, did not, he maintained, explicitly include the disputed waterway within the scope of the maintenance provisions. In the face of Parker's lawsuit, both defendants, Figure 8 Beach HOA and New Hanover County, sought a summary judgment. The lower court granted this, upholding the HOA's right to impose the special assessment. The controversy didn't end there, however. Parker appealed the decision, arguing he had been denied the chance to adequately review the ballots associated with the assessment and therefore claiming it to be unlawful. The Court of Appeals, however, confirmed the lower court's decision. It emphasized that the plaintiff's counsel had missed the opportunity to review the ballots during the hearing while maintaining that the assessment was legally authorized. This ruling affirmed the HOA's authority to impose assessments for funding required maintenance work, thereby ending the legal tussle. Judges Timmons, Goodson, and Steelman concurred with the final decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.